Good morning, students. Today I am starting question 4. So the question is, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. That means in upper side. At particular point it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below. Below that means in the downside. What is the vertical distance between them? You can see in this figure the flight is above 5000 and the submarine is below. Okay, that means below, that means this 1200 in the minus. And what is vertical distance? So let's see. Okay, so from according to question, plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter. That means above, that means positive, and depth of submarine, because below that means depth that means in the negative, minus 12 meter. And the vertical distance between plane and submarine, distance that means 5000 minus, and this depth that means minus 1200 meter. After that this minus and this minus is plus. So 5000 plus 1200 meter. When we add these all numbers, so the answer is 6200 meter. Now the next question, question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraw rupees 1642 from its next day. Deposit, that means he has deposit, that means positive because he have already money. And withdraw that means taken out that means minus. Okay, so these are minus and these are positive. If withdrawal amount for the account is represented by negative integer, that means withdraw represented by negative integer, that means 1642, then how will you represent the amount of deposit? So deposit amount, that means these are the positive. Find the balance Mohan account after the withdrawal. So what is the remaining amount? Let's see the solution. Deposit amount, that means 2000, and withdraw amount rupees 1642. Therefore the balance that means 2000 is deposit, and when he taken out, that means withdrawal. So these are negative. When we subtract, so rupees 350 are 8 rupees is remaining. So the balance is Mohan's account after withdrawal is rupees 358. Next question is, Rita goes 20 km towards it from a point A to B. Towards, that means east. Okay, here are east, toward that means in that side. Okay, and from BE she moved 30 km toward west along the same road, that means in this side. So that means this 30 is minus and this 20 is plus. If the distance towards it's represented by positive integer, that means this towards represented by positive integers, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? That means this y minus. Which integers will you represent her final position from A? So let's see the solution. Okay, so according to the number line, Rita moves towards, it's represented by positive integers. Okay, that means distance A to B is 20 km, distance B to C is 30 km, and distance from A to C, that means 20 minus 30. Because she moves in opposite direction, Rita moves west represented when the persons go in opposite direction, so that is minus, that means negative integers. So 20 minus 30. Okay, so we know this is positive and this is negative. So when one is positive and second one is negative, so we take a difference. 30 minus 20 is 10. And we have to put a symbol sign according to biggest digit. So here a minus. So the answer is Rita is a final position from A to C is minus 10 km. Next is question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Here are given magic squares. We have to check which one is magic square. When the sum of row, column and diagonal are same, that time that square is magic square. Let's see. Firstly, we know about that what is a row, column and diagonal. So these are the row. Okay, and these are the column, and this is a diagonal of, these are the diagonal. When we add these numbers, when we add this column and when we add this row and when we add this column. Okay, so answer is same. That time this is a magical square. So let's see, taken out. Okay, so in this square we have to taking a row, that means this one when we add. Okay, so let's add 5 minus 1 is 4, and this 4 minus 4 is answer is 0. Okay, next day minus 5 minus 2 and this 7. So that means minus 5 and minus minus plus, so minus 7 and this plus 7 is 0. 3 minus 3, this also 0. That means row answer is 0. Now check the column. This 5 minus 5, 0. Minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3 and this plus 3, 0. Minus 4 plus 7, that means plus 3 and this 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, and after that we have to check this diagonal, that means 5 minus 2, 3 and this minus 3, answer is 0. After that we have to check minus 4 and minus 2. So these are the minus 6. That means these are the not magical square. Okay. You can see here when we add the row, so the answer is 0. When we taking a column, so the answer is 0. When taking the diagonal, so first diagonal is 0. But when we take a second diagonal, so the answer is minus 6. That means this box is not a magic square because all the sum are not equal, because here are minus 6. That's why the answer is these are not magical square. Next is this one. So let's see. Firstly we have to check a row. Okay. After that column. So this 1 and this minus 10. So the answer is minus 9. After that minus 4 and minus 3. So minus 4 and minus 3 is minus 7 and this minus 2 is minus 9. Minus 6 and 4. So minus 6 and 4 how much? So minus 2 and this minus 7 is minus 9. That means the answer of this row is minus 9. Now check out a column. Okay. So this 1 and minus 4. So minus 3 and this minus 6 is minus 9. Minus 10 and minus 3. Minus 13 plus 4. This also minus 9. This 0, minus 2 and minus 7. So minus and minus is plus. So 2 and 7 is 9 and put the symbol of minus because both are minus. This column is also minus 9. Let's see diagonals. Okay. So this 1 and minus 3 and minus 7. So minus 7 and minus 3 is minus 10 plus 1. So this is minus 9. Now second diagonal minus 6, minus 3, minus 9 and 0. So the answer is minus 9. That means the sum of all row, column and diagonals are minus 9. That means the sum of all row, column and diagonals are minus 9. That means the box is magic square because all sums are equal. We can see here. Okay. Next is question number 8. Verify A in the bracket minus B is equal to A plus B for the following value A and B. So we have to verify that. Okay. So the first question is A equal 21 and B equal 18. So we have given already A equal 21 and B equal 18. So we have taking a LHS. A in the bracket minus B is equal to A plus B. Putting the value in LHS. So this one is LHS. So 21, this minus and minus 18. Okay. So this 21 as it is, this minus and minus are plus 18. 21 and 18 is 39. Now taking a RHS and put the value in A plus B. So the answer is 39. That means LHS is equal to RHS. So hence verified. So in this question we have to take a LHS and after that put value. Now again taking a RHS and put the value. If the both answer is same, that means answer is our verified answer. Next question, A equal 118, B equal 25. So we have given this and we have to taking a LHS. So put the value 118 minus 125. These minus and minus are plus. When we add, so 243. Now taking RHS, add this number 243. That means LHS is equal to RHS. These are also same. A equal 75, B equal 84. So we have taken LHS 75 minus 84. So 75, this minus and minus is plus 84. When we add these numbers, 159. After that taking RHS, so 75 plus 84. So the answer is 159. That means LHS and RHS both are equal. Next is value of 28 and 11. So 28 minus and minus is plus 39 and the A plus B is 39. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Now the next question, question number 9. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal in the box to make a statement true. So firstly we have to solve this question and after that put this symbol. When the number is greater, so we have to put this symbol, open mouth of the greater number, and when the number is small, so we have to put here are small number and here are greater. The mouth of this is closed, and when the both number are equal, so we have to put this sign. Okay students, so first one is minus 8 plus minus 4, minus 8 minus minus 4. So firstly we have to solve it. Minus 8 and this plus minus is minus 4. And here are also this minus and minus is plus 8 and 4 is minus 12. And now we have solved this one. So this minus 8 and this minus and minus is plus, that means minus 8 plus 4. So these are the minus 4. So minus 12 and minus 4, which one is greater? So in the negative number, the greater number is small and a small number is greater, because here are negative, the sign of minus. So these are the greater. Okay, minus 12 is small and minus 4 is greater in the negative integers. Next is, okay, so we have to solve it. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Okay, so minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. So minus 19 and minus 3. So minus and minus is plus. So minus 21 and plus 7. And these are the, this 15, 8 and 9. So minus and minus is plus, because and symbol is minus. 8 and 9 is 17. Okay, so 21 and 7. So minus 14. And these are the minus 2. So which are greater? This one is greater. Okay, sorry, 19 and minus 3 is 22 or 7, and 15 minus 17. Okay, so minus 12 plus 7 is minus 15, and this one is minus 2. So these are the greater. Here are minus 15 and minus 2. Okay, you can see here answer. Now the next question, same as it is, you have to solve it. Okay, and after that minus 7 and minus 21. So minus 7 is greater than to minus 29. You have to do in your homework. Okay, next is D. 39 minus 24 minus 15, 36 plus in the bracket minus 52 minus 36. So this 39 as it is, plus and minus is minus, this minus 15. 36 plus minus minus, and minus is plus. After that this 39 as it is, and this minus and minus is plus. So 24 and 15 is minus 39, and this 36 and 36 is 72 minus 52. So 39 minus 39 is 0, and 75 minus 52 is 20. So 0 and 20, which one is greater? So 20 is greater, that's why we are putting this symbol. So next question is minus 231 plus 79 plus 51, and minus 399, 159 plus 81. So this minus 231 is as it is, 79 and 51 is 130, and this minus 399 as it is 159 plus 81. When we add, so the 250. After that minus 231 plus 130 is minus 101, and when we subtract this, so minus 159. So minus 101 is greater than to minus 159. The question number 9 is completed, and exercise 1.1 is also completed. Thank you for watching.